Hey everyone, John Green here. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of programming. Programming is the art of writing instructions for a computer to follow. It's a bit like writing a recipe, but instead of cooking food, you're creating software. At its core, programming is about problem solving. You break down a problem into smaller, manageable parts and then write code to solve each part. Think of it as giving a set of precise instructions to a very literal-minded assistant. If your instructions aren't clear, the computer won't understand what to do. Computers are incredibly powerful, but they need us to tell them exactly what to do. That's where programming languages come in. These languages, like Python, JavaScript, and C++, allow us to communicate with computers in a way they can understand. Each language has its own syntax and rules, but they all serve the same purpose: to translate our human thoughts into machine-readable instructions. These languages are much more precise than human languages, which helps ensure that the computer understands exactly what we want it to do. When everything works as intended, it's incredibly satisfying. It's like solving a complex puzzle and seeing all the pieces fit together perfectly. Pretty cool, right? The first computer programs were written way back in the 1800s. Ada Lovelace is considered the first computer programmer. Back then, computers were very different. Over time, programming languages evolved. They became easier to use and understand. This made programming accessible to more people. Today, there are tons of programming languages. Each language has its own strengths and uses. It's a constantly evolving field. Let's talk about variables. Variables are one of the fundamental building blocks in programming. They allow us to store and manipulate data efficiently. Think of a variable like a box. Just like a box can hold various items, a variable can hold different types of information. You can put information inside this box. This information can be anything from a simple number to a complex data structure. This information can be a number, a word, or even a sentence. Variables help us manage and organize this data in a way that makes it easy to access and modify. We give each box a name so we can find it later. Naming variables is crucial because it helps us remember what data is stored where. For example, we could create a variable called name and put the word John in it. This way we can easily refer to John by using the variable name. Now, whenever we want to use the name John, we can just use the variable name. This makes our code more readable and easier to manage. Variables are essential for writing efficient and effective programs. Section 4: Loops and Functions. Making your code smart. Loops and functions are like shortcuts in programming. A loop tells the computer to repeat a set of instructions multiple times. Imagine you want to print the numbers 1 to 10. Instead of writing 10 separate print commands, you can use a loop. Functions are like mini programs within your program. They perform specific tasks, making your code more organized. Section 5: Programming is everywhere. Programming is everywhere in our modern world. It's in our phones, our cars, and even our refrigerators. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, we are surrounded by technology that relies on programming. Our alarm clocks, our coffee makers, and even our fitness trackers are all powered by code. It's amazing to think about how much of our daily lives are influenced by programming. Understanding the basics of programming can open up a whole new world of possibilities. It's not just about writing code, it's about thinking logically and solving problems creatively. When you learn to program, you develop skills that are valuable in many areas of life. You become better at breaking down complex problems into manageable parts and finding efficient solutions. It allows you to create, innovate, and solve problems. Whether you're developing a new app, designing a website, or automating a task, programming gives you the tools to bring your ideas to life. It's a powerful way to express your creativity and make an impact on the world around you. So whether you're a student looking to gain new skills for the future, a teacher aiming to inspire the next generation, or just curious about how things work, I encourage you to explore the world of programming. There are countless resources available online, from tutorials and courses to forums and communities where you can ask questions and share your progress. You might be surprised at what you can achieve. With dedication and practice, you can turn your ideas into reality and maybe even change the world.